Looking for the best CRM for team collaboration? You've probably come across Teamgate and Podio, and you're wondering which one is best suited for your team's needs. Well, by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of both platforms and whether they truly live up to the hype, or if there's a better alternative out there for your team. Let's dive straight into it. The first thing you should know is that both Teamgate and Podio offer solid CRM features, but they each bring something different to the table. Teamgate focuses on simplicity, offering a streamlined user experience that helps teams track sales leads and manage customer relationships with ease. Podio, on the other hand, is much more customizable, allowing you to create a CRM system that works exactly how you want it to. However, this customization comes at a cost. Podio can feel a bit overwhelming for teams who are looking for something quick and easy to implement. Next thing to consider is integration. Teamgate has some pretty smooth integrations with tools like Google Workspace, MailChimp, and Zapier, which makes it easy to sync up your CRM with other apps you're using. Podio also offers integrations, but the process isn't as seamless, and you may need to rely on third-party tools, or even some coding if you want to fully integrate it with other software in your stack. The third thing to discuss is the interface and user experience. Teamgate has a modern, clean design that's easy for new users to pick up. It's simple, intuitive, and doesn't overwhelm you with too many options. Podio, on the other hand, offers a highly customizable interface, but this flexibility can be a double-edged sword. While it's great if you have specific needs, it can also lead to a cluttered and confusing workspace, especially if you're not a designer or a developer. Next up, pricing. Teamgate offers a straightforward pricing structure with a relatively affordable entry-level plan, making it a great option for smaller teams. Podio's pricing is a bit trickier, with a free tier that might appeal to smaller teams but can quickly become expensive as you scale up and need access to advanced features. Then, let's talk about automation. Both platforms offer automation features, but Podio's are far more robust, especially if you're looking to automate workflows or create complex processes. However, with great power comes great complexity. Teamgate's automation features are simpler and more user-friendly, so if you're just looking for basic automation, it might be the better choice. The last thing I want to mention is customer support. Teamgate offers decent support, including email, live chat, and a knowledge base. Podio, on the other hand, has a solid help center, but when it comes to support, it's been known to be slower and less responsive, which could be frustrating when your team is facing an issue that needs immediate attention. Now, while Teamgate and Podio both have their strengths, after testing them out myself, I believe there's a better alternative for team collaboration, and that's Alternative CRM Name. If you're truly focused on collaboration and need a CRM that's easy to use, integrates seamlessly, and doesn't overwhelm you with unnecessary features, this is the one I recommend. Plus, if you want to try it out risk-free, make sure to grab the exclusive free trial linked in the description below. This offer is only available through my link, so don't miss out on the best deal available. So, to wrap up, both Teamgate and Podio are solid CRMs for team collaboration, but if you're looking for something more streamlined, intuitive, and better for collaboration, I highly suggest checking out the CRM I mentioned.